In the last 28 days, I made $3.41 with my YouTube channel. Here's my plan to make $1 million on YouTube by the end of the year. And the best thing is, I will fully execute this plan here on this channel for everyone to watch. And every week, I will log into my YouTube channel to share all my numbers with you. I will show you how much I make, which videos get me the best results, how I create the videos, how I edit the videos, and how I come up with new ideas for my videos. Fully transparent for everyone to watch. That means, if this turns out well, if I really make so much money on YouTube, this will be the best and most honest online course on how to make money on YouTube. And it's free. And if it doesn't turn out well, then I guess you have at least some entertainment value. See me failing, yeah. Okay, so here's my plan. Step 1, uploading random YouTube videos. Topics I'm passionate about. And I know that I have something valuable to say. This is music production, virtual production, some kind of 3D animation. Of course, my progress videos here of my $1 million YouTube channel. So every Saturday I will post my weekly update and log into my YouTube channel and show you all my numbers. And I will talk about YouTube, yeah, my opinion on YouTube trends, popular YouTuber, what's going on the platform, and so on. And I will show you how I create and sell online courses around these topics. And I've already created first online course. The best thing, I will share my numbers on how many people signed up for this and maybe if I make a sale or not on my next weekly update. So stay tuned for this. And my goal for this, like posting random YouTube videos and also selling this focus online course, is $10,000 a month. That's step number 1. And I want to reach this goal by the end of July. So now it's beginning mid-May, so that means a little more like 2.5 months, maybe nearly 3 months left. Not a long time for $10,000 every month. If you're wondering now, what? You just want to upload random YouTube videos to make $10,000 a month? Well, I will upload a lot. Then I will check my data in YouTube Studio, so my YouTube analytics, and I will do this together with you here on this channel. Then I will optimize my content based on this and of course share with you what I'm doing and why I'm doing this. This will be very interesting. We do this all together on this channel. Sounds easy, right? Well, I think it will be easy. I have no idea. I think it sounds easy. So step number 2. After reaching $10,000 on YouTube, here's step number 2. After reaching this first goal, I estimate that my channel blows up. YouTube starts recommending my content to many, many new viewers. So, because I think something like this has never been done before, and if I make this public now, so I don't know. That's what I'm counting with, yeah, that YouTube starts recommending my content to many, many people. So this alone will probably get me to $50,000 per month because, you know, YouTube can be crazy like when someone is blowing up. Okay, that brings us already to step number 3. My resources. As my resources grow, I will be able to work on a comprehensive strategy. Of course, more money, more possibilities. So I have something that I can work on. And this strategy will make me $100,000 per month. I have no idea how this strategy will look like right now, but I'm pretty sure that I will be able to work out the strategy once I have like $50,000 per month. So I won't share the strategy here on YouTube, but I will share my results, fully transparent. I will show you all my numbers. And this strategy is made only for people who already copied my free strategy from step 1. It's useless for others. So step 4, if you're at some point making $10,000 a month thanks to my strategy from step 1, you will be able to buy a course from me for a higher price tag where I will share my $100,000 per month strategy. So I estimate the price tag for this course between $200, maybe $2,000. So it's a high, very expensive course. But think about it. People I help making $10,000 per month for free, and they noticed it turned out for them, I think they would spend like $2,000 for another course, which could help them make $100,000 a month. So let's estimate that I will sell 400 copies of this course between October and December 2021. I think that's not unlikely because we already have a lot of YouTube reach and so on. So like 450 copies, I know it's a high price tag, but only people who already made it. I don't know, it feels realistic to me. But that means I would make around $900,000 in these 3 months. And this course will finally make me a millionaire on YouTube. So how does that sound? Do you think I will make it? I don't know, but definitely I know it will be a fun challenge. So, and what I really hope is that I will make it to inspire many of you guys what's possible in the age of the internet. And I also hope that I can finally buy the new iPod Pro, probably 12-inch or so. Okay, anyways, one thing I forgot. I will always follow one principle. My mission, always provide more than you ask for. I think you already noticed it, right? And last but not least, here are the numbers of income sources. So uploading YouTube videos. So ad revenue can be all over the place. You probably watch these videos, but when you, for example, ad revenue for music is like very low. Yeah. For example, I have another music channel. I nearly earn nothing with ad revenue there because it's demonetized because of cover songs and so on. But on this topic, probably I will be able to make a lot of money with ad revenue. So I estimate like $300,000. So selling online courses, I already showed you, like I estimate like $900,000. And last but not least, music streaming. So this is huge for me. So this is, for me personally, probably this is a bigger deal than anything else. So if you would say like $10,000 is peanuts. But like, I think everyone who makes music and like making money with your own music is it's just the best feeling. Yeah, just, well, okay, every musician can understand this. Yeah, it's just what you're passionate about and just doing this. So I love YouTube, yeah, but music is definitely by far my most passionate thing. Okay, let's talk about numbers again. Here are my numbers when I want to make how much money, yeah, which month. In May, we already have May, but I think I can grow my revenue from like $3.43 to $100. June, $3,000, so much more. $100 a day was my calculation here. July, $300 a day or $333 a day would make $10,000 a month in July. Okay, August, 50,000. That's when my channel blows up. Then I work on this more comprehensive strategy that will bring me to $100,000 in September. October starts. On October I start selling this other this huge course. What I wanted to sell for maybe $2,000 on the higher price tag, and this will make me $200,000 in November, $300,000, and in December, $400,000 if you combine these two. And this is 500, and this brings it to $900,000 altogether. Okay, thanks everyone for watching. Make sure to get my free or paid course in the description below to train your focus, and see you in the next video.